Welcome back to the Hop and Vien channel. Today, we'll be learning another 100 conversational phrases from 401 to 500. They're concise, easy to remember, and extremely professional. Let's go! It's worth a try. It's worth a try. Don't push your luck. Don't push your luck. That's more like it. That's more like it. I'm tied up right now. I'm tied up right now. Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. It's better to be safe than sorry. It's better to be safe than sorry. I'm out of options. I'm out of options. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. It's on the tip of my tongue. It's on the tip of my tongue. You can count on me. You can count on me. I'll make it up to you. I'll make it up to you. It's not worth the trouble. It's not worth the trouble. Get your act together. Get your act together. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Keep your head up. Keep your head up. It's out of the blue. It's out of the blue. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Take it easy. Take it easy. What's done is done. What's done is done. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. I'm on your side. I'm on your side. Don't get your hopes up. Don't get your hopes up. It's a small world. It's a small world. Keep me in the loop. Keep me in the loop. I'm having second thoughts. I'm having second thoughts. It's out of my hands. It's out of my hands. Keep your chin up. Keep your chin up. I'll take a rain check. I'll take a rain check. Don't take it for granted. Don't take it for granted. I'm in a bit of a hurry. I'm in a bit of a hurry. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. You're overthinking it. You're overthinking it. Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home. I'm all ears. I'm all ears. That makes sense. That makes sense. I can't put my finger on it. I can't put my finger on it. It's a long shot. It's a long shot. Time flies. Time flies. Keep your fingers crossed. Keep your fingers crossed. You've outdone yourself. You've outdone yourself. It's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. I'm not following you. I'm not following you. Keep your spirits up. Keep your spirits up. It's up in the air. It's up in the air. I'll keep that in mind. I'll keep that in mind. Don't hold your breath. Don't hold your breath. You're on the right track. You're on the right track. It's a win-win situation. It's a win-win situation. I'm at your service. I'm at your service. Take it with a grain of salt. Take it with a grain of salt. That's out of the question. That's out of the question. I'm under the weather. I'm under the weather. Cut to the chase. Cut to the chase. Easier said than done. Easier said than done. It's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. Speaking of the devil. Speaking of the devil. Time is money. Time is money. Break the ice. Break the ice. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. Don't get me started. Don't get me started. I'm torn between. I'm torn between. Keep a straight face. Keep a straight face. It's on me. It's on me. Break a leg. Break a leg. I'm having a blast. I'm having a blast. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted. Catch you later. Catch you later. My lips are sealed. My lips are sealed. Take your time. Take your time. It's a rip-off. It's a rip-off. Give it a rest. Give it a rest. Cross that bridge when you come to it. Cross that bridge when you come to it. I'm struggling with. I'm struggling with. It's on the house. It's on the house. Out of reach. Out of reach. Make a long story short. Make a long story short. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Can you give me a ride? Can you give me a ride? I'm tied up. I'm tied up. It's better than nothing. It's better than nothing. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. It's a matter of opinion. It's a matter of opinion. I've had enough. I've had enough. Keep it real. Keep it real. It's up to you. It's up to you. I'm lost. I'm lost. Suit yourself. Suit yourself. I can't help it. I can't help it. No hard feelings. No hard feelings. I'm broke. I'm broke. Just in case. Just in case. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. It's about time. It's about time. I'm on it. I'm on it. Count me in. Count me in. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. See you soon. See you soon. So, we've finished episode 5. Which sentence did you like best today? Let Hawthorne know in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.